Hey there, Joey from DayJobHacks.com. Today I'm going to talk about how to cash in big with Black Friday and CPA affiliate offers using push ads and retargeting. So the methods I'm going to describe in this video have been proven by myself. In fact, I've done case studies around it. So this isn't just some flimsy theory again. It's actually something that has been tested and proven to work. And you're going to see it all in this video. Whether you're an affiliate marketer or a product owner, these strategies are going to help you prepare for not only Black Friday, but Q4, getting your pixels warmed up so that you can scale on major ad platforms while at the same time getting super targeted, cheap traffic to landing pages where you can actually make sales during Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend leading up into the Q4 season, okay? So if you like this type of video and you want to see more like this, please like my videos, please comment, share, whatever it is, subscribe so that, you know, it not only helps my channel, but at the same time, it motivates me to do more videos like this. What are the steps involved here? Well, first of all, this is, like I said, it's going to have advanced and beginner. So the advanced component here is we're going to be doing some retargeting later on into Q4 and throughout the year. And those are the types of campaigns where, you know, you're going to make a lot more profit from the retargeting campaign. So this is when people visit your website, they either purchase or they just visit and you hit them up later with another advertisement, say on Google Display Network or on Facebook. So in order to do that, first of all, we need to have a website. In most cases, people watching this video should already know how to build a website. If you don't, go to powerhouseaffiliate.com/action-plan. It's our 60-minute guide to how to set up your own affiliate marketing website or sales pages, whatever else you want to call it. Okay, go there, learn how to build a website. Next step is we need to get our pixels from Facebook and Google Ads managers so that we can place those into our website in the back end so that when people visit, these platforms know who's visiting our website. So I meant to say Google Analytics. You're going to want to put Google Analytics on there as well, and the Facebook pixel, okay? Because later on we're going to build audiences around people who have visited our website. But how do we get super cheap traffic to our website during one of the hottest times of year, and how do we get sales from that traffic? Well, that's where we get into push ads and how we're going to set this campaign up. So push ads are really effective ads, especially on the day of these events. For example, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Those are really big events, and when people see an ad on that day, they are going to usually respond to it much better than if they just see it randomly for no reason during the other times of year, okay? It also works well prior to Valentine's Day when people are buying gifts, prior to people's birthdays. If you know how to target people that way, or if you have a list, all of these things are ways that you can get to people immediately and they will respond. So Black Friday works by finding offers that have really good deals. So the first thing we need to think about is the offers, okay? What type of offers work best? Well, in this case, we are looking for people who are shoppers, okay? Because during Q4, a lot of people are buying things online, and especially right now, everybody's moving online to buy things, okay? So how do we take advantage of that? This is how we're going to do it. So you need to go to offervault.com, which is a place that has a directory of multiple different offers around the globe available for CPA affiliate marketers. Now, if you're a product owner, then this is irrelevant to you because you're going to have your own products. But as an affiliate, we need to find products. So find e-commerce products, search for e-commerce. You're going to see tons of affiliate networks out there that have e-commerce products. Get on those networks, start watching their emails come out, because now is the time when they're going to start sending out all of these hot offers for Black Friday. And you want to find the ones that have really good deals, okay? Most of these offers also have checkout pages that you can link to. Make sure you're linking to the checkout pages. I've done a case study again inside Powerhouse Affiliate where I talked about we are not only linking to their sales pages, we're linking to their checkout pages because we are building our own sales pages in the front end, and that is kind of a more advanced strategy. But again, there's a full training course inside Powerhouse Affiliate for that on Google Ads where I talk about this strategy where we're linking to the checkout pages. So without rambling on any further, you want to find great e-commerce offers. Next, we need to build our landing page. The landing page we're going to use here for push ads is going to be a highly aggressive discount time-sensitive page, okay? So how are we gonna do that? Well, first of all, we need to use a landing page tool. Unless you are a coder yourself and you know how to build landing pages, the tool I use is OptimizePress 3.0. Links down in the description, of course, and everything I'm referring to in this video, there will be links in the description. So OptimizePress 3.0 allows me to put a little timer at the top, and I can use their templates, which are already there. They have really high aggressive discount-oriented templates that we're going to be using for our push ad, okay? Then once we build that landing page and we put our offer in there and we link to the checkout page of the CPA offer we're running, the next phase is we need to set up our traffic source, okay? So the traffic source we're going to use here is obviously push ads. However, if we want to scale this throughout Q4 and we want to start building a real campaign and business, push ads is not going to be the traffic sources that is going to get us there, okay? We need to use Facebook or Google Display. Now, while push ads and native ads are great traffic sources for e-commerce, and I've talked about it on this channel before, the real scalability comes when you can start hitting billions of people, and that's through Facebook and Google, okay? So for now, when we set up our push ads campaign, we want to use platforms that allow us to target premium traffic. Now, there's only a few out there that do that. You have Rich Ads, you have Propeller, you have ZeroPark. Those are three ones that I would check out first. You want to go in there and you want to set up your campaign, and the ad style you're going to be using here is, today only. You're going to be using those types of words, 50% off this product today only, and when they land on your page, the congruency is going to be there because you're going to say the exact same thing on your landing page. Now, the beauty of push ads is that it's going to hit them no matter where they are on Black Friday. For example, if you use push ads and you target mobile, everybody's carrying their mobile phone. They're going to see the notification on their phone, and they're going to think today is the only day I can get this product. They're going to click on there. And the people that are going to be clicking are going to be people that are likely shoppers. They buy things online. Now, this page is going to be a page that is designed with highly aggressive headlines and discounts, okay? And you're going to want to have scarcity big time on this page, meaning you're going to have a timer today only, and people are going to feel like this is it, right? So when they click through to the offer, it's going to go to the checkout page, and you can actually set up your pixel to target those people that are clicking through to checkout. So now you know you really have high intent users and people that are actually shoppers, okay? And those are the people you may want to test later on as we get through this weekend and into Q4. So the strategy up front is getting a bunch of push ads to your landing page and getting people to click through to checkout, okay? The next strategy, once we start retargeting these people, is where we build in our listicles, okay? And we're leading up into the holiday season. Now, I've done a video on listicles. Check it out. I'll probably pop it up right here so you can see that. Now that you have a whole bunch of people that you know are interested in buying things online, they click through to checkout, now you can do a listicle, whether it be for your own product, like 6 ways to use your product, or you can do a multiple product listicle, which I've also talked about, where you're saying, 25 gifts for your wife during the holidays, or whatever it is, 25 great gift ideas for your family member, whatever it is, right? So there's so many different ways you can do this. And again, we've done a case study on this already, but this is where you're going to use that warmed up pixel to use to send traffic to this now new page around the same offer or the same types of offers, okay? So this strategy works extremely well because of the time of year. Of course, people are really interested in buying things online, okay? Now, to prepare yourself, to get ready while we still have 10 days before this happens, what you need to be doing is finding offers and going in and testing this now, okay? So you want to go onto your push ads platforms. You want to find the actual placements that are getting results. You want to find people that are clicking through your landing page, and you want to save those placements because those are the ones that you're going to hit on Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend, and then it's going to give you a better chance of success and profitability on that weekend, okay? So if you've watched some of my case studies before on push ads, you know that as soon as you turn on your as soon as you turn on your traffic for push ads, if you haven't already filtered out all the placements that have just a bunch of crap traffic, then all of your budget is gonna go to that crap traffic, Okay, so make sure you prepare at least a week in advance or a few days in advance and get rid of all those crappy placements so that when you fire up on Black Friday, you're getting great premium traffic to your landing pages with a high probability of success, okay? I think I've covered everything in that strategy. Like I said, I've proven it. It works. It's not just some flimsy method in my head that I thought I would share on YouTube. It actually works, and you can see some case studies and proof of it working at powerhouseaffiliate.com. If you like that type of video, again, please like, comment, or share. We'll see you in the next one.